recording my little brother. He's playing with my slimes I made. And I have slime in there I made too. I have more, but it's just that I don't have a lot yet. Just started making slime. And then a couple days ago. It's not sticky at all. Your hands are just really hot. You're not sticky at all. It's not sticky at all. He's just melting it.
Sticky?
He's not. You guys just don't put
It's just put it in. You can't put it in your hands. You just have to do like this, okay? Nathan, do it.
Slime is fun. Just don't make it very sticky. Like my mom says. She likes non-sticky slime. Nobody. Non-sticky slime. I like slime though. Slime is fun. It's a video.
Just put it on there and get it off.
It's fun. My little brother doesn't know how to play with slime yet. He's really young. But he likes watching YouTube. He likes watching
the green one now.
Just to put the light green one in there.
Really?
Yep. My little brother is little. If you watch my other videos, he's a little of a bad a boy.
Now we're trying to
just play with this one. It's really good.
put my hand up.
I like it. This one just makes noises. It feels really good. But it's fun. Now this is not going to be only a slime channel. I will have my Xbox 360 I just got here in Okinawa. I'm in Okinawa. And Elijah, put the slime away. They're here. And my friends, our friends are here.